The platypus?
Platypus. Mommy just calls it a duck.
Ready? Hello. Hello, Callum. Oh, hello. 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 I think
Are they eating the tractor pole?
Tractor. Here.
Truck. What does the truck say? Hey, do you want to go hide in your fort?
Yeah.
Yeah, go hide.
Hey, see ya.
Bye. Where's Callum?
Callum, where did he go? I think I'm supposed to be watching some little boy named Callum.
Where is he?
Oh,
Where is he?
oh,
Where is he?
Hi. Oh, okay, bye.
Bye.
Where'd he go? Where did he? I see some.
Hi.